Probability of A and B. These are problems which require obtaining a favorable outcome in each of the given categories, given areas. This is sometimes called the multiplication formula. When using the multiplication formula, always assume that event A has occurred when calculating event B, probability of B. So example 3, 2 cards are selected at random from this deck. We've got different colored birds with different numbers, different lions, or lions look all the same, frogs look the same, and monkeys look the same. Okay. Determine the probability of the following with replacement, without replacement. First, that they both show monkeys. So with replacement is A. The probability of monkey and monkey is going to be the probability of monkey times the probability of monkey. And that's 5 monkey cards out of 20 times 5 out of 20. That's 25 over 400. That'd be 1 over 16. Part B without replacement, so you're talking probability of monkey and monkey. It's probability of monkey times the probability of monkey, which would be 5 over 20. So the first one was drawn as a monkey. The second one means there are only 4 monkeys left out of 19 cards left, because this is without replacement. 1 monkey card's taken out of the pot, so we have 4 monkey cards left over 19. That's 20 over 20 times 19, and the 20s cancel out. And leaves 1 over 19. Okay, what's the probability they both show 3 in the first case? Probability of 3 and 3. That's the probability of getting a 3 times the probability of getting a 3. Okay, so we have how many 3s? Looks like there are 4 3s. So 4 over 20 times 4 over 20. That'd be 16 over 400, which is 1 over 25. Probability of getting a 3 and a 3 in the next case. That means probability of getting a 3 for the first card times the probability of getting a 3 for the second card. 4 out of 20 for the first. Now if one's gone, we have 3 cards left out of 20. Let's see, the 4 and the 20 can cancel. 4 over 20 times 3 over 20. It's just red so you can see that better. That's a 1 up here, and a 5 down there. Oh, that's 19. So we end up with 3 over 95. Okay, part 3 says the first shows a lion and the second shows a bird. So the probability of lion and bird is the probability of lion times the probability of bird. So there are 5 out of the 20 cards are lion, and then 5 out of 19 remain. Oh, this is with replacement. Out of 20 cards are birds. So we get, again, 25 over 400, which is 1/16. Probability of lion and bird without replacements is 5 over 20 times, okay, now we have 5 birds, but now 19 cards because the 1 card's gone, that first lion card's gone. This can be reduced 5 into 20. Use a 4 down below. So 5 over 4 times 19, 176. In the last case, the first shows a 2 and the second shows a 4. So probability of 2 and 4, probability of a 2 times the probability of a 4. Probability of a 2 would be 4 over 20. Probability of a 4 is 4 over 20 with replacement. That's 16 over 400, which is, again, 1 over 25. And the probability of 2 and 4. In the second case, it's probability of 2 times probability of 4. This time it's without replacement, so the 2 cards taken out of the pot. We had 4 out of 20 for that one. Now there are still 4 cards, but there are only 19 cards left in the pot. That's 16. I'm going to reduce first. That's 4 over 95.